Hey everyone, today's topic is about Google sign in. Hope we all are used to Google sign in, right? But we don't know how it actually works. Come on, let's see how it will work. Before that, this is Prem. Welcome back to Prem Yathik. Yeah, today we're going to cover everything about the project setup, configuration, authentication, and how user information is getting stored, everything. See here, I have created a sample project. So in this project, I have made a Google sign-in authentication flow. All those things I have configured. Uh, See here, just go to these screens, sign-in screen. See here, I just have few things. So this is our sample project, which is a home management app. Currently, it's named as a day-to-day project tracker. Will change the name later. So this video is about the not only for this Google sign-in. So we together how to create a whole application development and also will deploy all those things. Will get in a continuous video. This is our first video, Google sign-in. So I have given an email address and password, all those things. Just skip that thing alone. We'll focus only on the Google sign-in part. So this is the continue with Google code. This is the Google sign-in. So when you're clicking it, Google sign-in function will call here. Here I just have a sign-in within Google logic. So once you go in there I just having two things. One is answer configured. So this is nothing but here is the Google configuration I have added. So this Google sign-in is getting in this React Native Google sign-in. So you need to install this and we are going to use this. Here, see here, web client ID, offline access and scopes. Scopes alone will check on the later part. Currently we'll focus on web client ID alone. So where we need to get a web client id, so this configuration part is done, right? So where we need to get the web client id, so for this web client id you have to know what Google sign in should have, what and all things they will provide. We need to provide something to Google sign in. So this is a hands off. We share our data, then they share their data to us. So this is the mutual understanding here. Yes, we need to know what is application id and how, what are and all things we need to create on. Just go to your Google console, Google Cloud Console. Here we have two things, Google Play Console, Google Cloud Console. We need to choose Google Cloud Console. Go inside the Google Cloud Console, click on the console. Here we need to go with API and services. Then enable API and services. Wait. See here, once you are in enable API and services, click on OAuth constant screen. Yeah, once you are in, just click on clients. You need to go with and create clients. So I have created a two different thing. So one is web client. So web client creation is nothing but very simple one. You just give a name and then all those things you need to choose as a web client. So once it is created, you will get an ID. Then you have to create one more thing. So we are currently working on a mobile application development. So for that, we need to create a one more client. I have created another client. That client name should be Android project. Here only we need to share our SHA certificate, all those things. So here you can see the project name SHA certificate, right? So where I can find my project name? Is that random name I can given? So where I can find a certificate fingerprint? Yes, it's the biggest part here. Package name. So package name is nothing but when you are creating our React Native project, at the time we have given some project folder name, right? So that is the project name here. So in this project, what is my application ID? Yes, you need to know what is your application ID. Just go to your Android, their app, then build.gradle. So these build.gradle should have all the details about your React Native configurations, all those things, right? Here you can see application ID. Yeah, right. This is your application ID. So this is the host we need to point on. So calm day-to-day project. So this is my project application ID. That application ID should be given in a package name. Later, certificate SHA1 fingerprint. So I just given this fingerprint will explain where I got the fingerprint. So this fingerprint getting is one of the key thing here. So we have created a two different client side, web client 1, web client 2. So now two reasons we need to work on that. One is we need to paste some web web client ID here. So then only this Google configuration will work, right? So what web client ID should I paste? Android or web application? Yes, here you need to paste on the Android web client ID. Should not be, sorry, recorrecting it. Here you need to paste an web application client ID. Should not be Android client ID. So just copy an web application client ID. So that should be entered here. Nice, right? So we'll see how this configuration will work here. So when I'm clicking on Google, yeah, my Google account is successfully identified. It's asking, he see here, our Google sign in got failed. Why? See the developer error. So when you are getting a developer error, which means our such a one fingerprint is getting mismatched. So there is a problem between communicating our React Native to Google sign-in. Yes, I have pasted a wrong key. Now where I can find my key here, right? So there is a chance here. This is the one. CD Android dot slash sign in report. When you are paste this to your project, you will get what are all these keys signed in already. Just see here. If you are not getting your key, you need to do a sign in here. How I can do a sign in? Yes, for signing in. So initially, if you are not getting anything, you will get an error like that. See, this is my signing key. I will given this as a description. You can directly sign in and use it. So once you are doing this, you will get an SHA1 and SHA2, which will be your fingerprint identification. So now, once you are checking the signing report, you will get all the sign-in key, right? I can able to find Android test. So debug Android test here, async storage, Google sign in key, right? So this is the one I have created, but you should not use this. It will be using you is using the old one which already have created. That is this one, debug Android test. You just copy this, go to your home book, just paste it, update it. It got updated, right? Yeah. Now I'm just doing a sign in, clicking on that. Yes, it's got signing in, but we are facing few issues like access blocked. Homebook has not completed the Google verification progress. We are in the step 2. Now both are communicated, but that access is not allowed here. So currently we are just doing a testing here, right? So for that we need to provide few access here. Data access, mm, audience. Yeah, here you can see the add user site, publish app. So when you are publishing, anyone can able to do a Google sign in with our fingerprint credentials. Fingerprint credentials is nothing but a certificate of SH1 we have created and uploaded it here, right? So that one. So I can give an add users, just adding my mail for testing purpose. See here, while publishing status to testing, only test user are able to access the app. Allowed user can prop to app verification is 100 and it's count over the entire lifetime of the app. I'm okay with that. I have added. We'll check now how it will work. See, I'm just cancelled this. Clicking Google sign in again. It's trying to communicate. Google has not verified this app. Continue. Yes, it's asking first time when I'm doing a Google sign in, right? So it's just asking the confirmation pop up, all those things. Just continuing. Yes, we got successfully navigated. Our account got successfully authenticated. This is our response. All those things, right? We'll get an ID token, scope, server auth code, user profile. So this is my user profile, email, family name, given name, ID. This is my unique ID, my name, and then my photo also we have given, right? Yeah, team. Now we got successfully authenticated and navigating to our home page, right? Similarly, log out also. It will be very easy thing. So when you're clicking on this, you will get a log out. Every time when you are just clicking on and just checking if it's logged in, get logged out. So I'm just doing a log out, signing again. See here, automatically it got signed in. So in code level logout functionality also it's built very easy. Just you need to just call a logout. Here it is sign in, right? Google sign in dot sign in. Similarly logout also sign out, sign in dot sign out. Yeah, the key point here you need to understood is that application ID, and then when you are creating an client, you need to keep stored somewhere this SHA1 fingerprint for our future reference. If you are missed something or something we need to verify, we need this fingerprint verification ID. Without this, we can't able to handle this account. Hope you guys learned new thing today. Just keep on watching. In next video, we'll see what feature we will implement on this. Thank you guys.